First question is, given the current state of the county budget, and given the fact that Polk County Jail is the largest expenditure in the county budget, what steps should be taken to control jail costs and/or reduce jail populations?
To go down on jail costs, I'm not sure that's possible with what we have. We've cut as much as we can out of the budget. We have a short amount. We have cut quite a bit out of the operating budget within the jail. We are mandated by the state to have X number of officers on the floor, so we have to have X number of people to take care of inmates that we have. We have a ratio of 1 to 48. We have to have one officer on the floor for every 48 inmates that we house. That's not including the person that's in the booking area and also the person that's in the control room. I would love to be able to take the extra bed space that we have to rent it out to help bring revenue into the county. Currently, right now, we have 3 inmates that are housed from another county that's they're paying $42 a day for those 3 inmates. So I wish we could get more of those to help offset the deficit or the money that we spend on the jail at this time.
Well, when you look at controlling the jail costs, I think there's a lot of ways that we can look at that. I think we've got to work with the district attorney's office and the judges on getting people in and out of the jail. Sometimes delayed in booking jailers. A lot of judges have expressed that they come to the courts the next morning and people haven't been booked in and they've been in jail for quite a while and they don't see them till the next day. Well, that keeps them in jail another 24 hours before a judge sees them. I think we've got to get better on that. Another thing in the jail that in January of this year, there was an audit that come back that showed thousands and thousands of dollars not deposited that was wrote to the Polk County Sheriff's Department from a commissary fund. That money, we're not going to be able to go back and get because it's been over so long, but they were able to recoup some money. Accountability is what we've got to have.
Population of jail. We do work diligently to get people out of jail. We have a lady that works with to the courts to help get bonds, set with people who need to get out of jail and get out on PR bond. We hold plastic misdemeanors to very minimum. And the time it takes to book somebody in jail is about an hour. So it takes a little while to just have one person that's booking people in jail. It takes a little while to get everybody booked in jail. But it could stay in there for about 10 to 12 hours before they actually get booked into jail. So, thank you.